for the paper. Okay. Stick it on the donkey. Stick it on the donkey. Good job, Shayna. Yay! That's Shayna. Look what you did. Look what you did, Shayna. Look.
Nice.
Yay! Nice. Good job. Okay, Shayna. It's Kyo's turn. You could go that. You could go that way where Lola Millet is.
What are they supposed to do?
Spin the tail on the donkey.
And then, oh, it has to be right there.
Yes, Jerry. Okay, Kyo. You pin this on the donkey's tail. Come on.
Come on.
You can do it, Kyo. Go, Kyo. Go, Kyo. Go, Kyo.
Kyo.
Yay, Kyo. Look what you did. Look what you did.
It's on the
Wow,
ground.
Kyo. Wow, good
It's on the
job.
ground.
See, Kyo, go over there.
It's on the ground.
I know, it's on the glass. Okay.
I'm going to go. That you. I'm aiming for the ball.
So this is really a children's party, right? Go, Angelina. Go, no, Angelina knows where it's at.
Nice.
Wow.
Wow.
Angelina.
Good job, Angelina. Yay. I know, she's like, wow, Angelina, good job. Okay,
job,
you can go
Angelina.
that way. And Sammy, you're not. I don't know if they can see it. All right, put it on, Sammy. Put it on, Sammy. The other way. Okay. All right. All right. No, you don't have. Okay, then. There you go. That was